Good morning, birthday boy. Did we start your birthday in your most favorite way possible?
Nope.
Early morning piano lessons? Happy birthday.
Being late for school.
The birthday cake is made. The presents are wrapped. Boston's gonna be home from school any minute. And he told me that this is his favorite perfume. So that's what we're going with today. Me and Lady have been out here waiting for you. How was your day at school?
Good.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
What you got next to you?
This?
Yeah.
My friend gave it to me.
Awesome. He wants to see his cake. It's in the fridge. Because the house got really warm while I was making it and I was nervous. What do you think?
Looks good.
To be honest.
It does look good.
It was very difficult. And so instead of doing like a smooth layer, because it just was not covering Boss. It just wasn't. So I made it like kind of, you know,
Wavy.
abstract. I did my very best.
Kind of looks like you did like an orange cake with like orange stuff.
A little bit. But lemon.
Still
Looks like you got bit by a bug back here.
Probably.
Do you see our presents?
Mm-hmm.
There is 2. And 1 from Grandpa. The party is definitely getting started because Joel is now home. You know, that's birthday present enough. Whose birthday is it? Is it my birthday? Joel's home?
Is it my birthday? I'm home.
Boston did want to know why your hair wasn't done though. He's like, are you going to do your hair for my party?
Dad's hair.
Son, you are lucky that Dad is even home.
When I turned 10, I was the only one in elementary still. And so Grandma took me to UNI Thriftway to get a donut for breakfast for my birthday. And I remember telling the cashier I'm a decade old. And my mom was like, no, you're not. I think I am. I think it's a decade. And they were thinking I was saying I was a century old. Well, I was a decade. You're a decade old, bud.
Boston Wade, you're a decade old.
Or a century. I don't know which one it is still.
Well, how old are you? 6 or 5? And you expect me to believe you're 10 years old?
Hello.
Hey, you're gonna get kicked. And when you do, I'm not gonna help you when you're crying. Like I said, oh my heck, Lincoln. I'm not sure what the game is. What's the game, Link? Crossy Road? Okay, it's time to eat. Okay, it's time to eat. Let's go.
Already now I'm gonna put the chips on. Then I gotta put the lay toss. My burger's complete. Chips on a burger is just good. How sweaty that is.
Oh, it's so sweaty.
It's like a person's arm that's full of sweat. Bun, patty, fry sauce, lettuce, and then chips. So good.
Would you call it delicious?
Oh, yeah. I didn't even think about asking you. You're 10 now.
I usually do it first, and now he can do it.
Dad, can I light mine? Because I want to use light mine.
Bossy, put it against the wick, because
Yeah,
I said it'll
put it
most
there.
definitely light.
Now go.
Now we're going to it again.
Well, the weather is being crazy.
Don't blow so
Oh
hard.
no. Oh no.
Oh, where's the napkin?
thing's the closest, and then
All right, I think we're getting something here.
Wait, does
Should
anybody
we-
have a paper towel? Because I need
We'll sing really fast.
Happy birthday to Bossy, bong bong. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, we're getting close. You stand by with a lighter.
Okay.
Oh no!
This,
I'm saving it.
you're already
Happy
on.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boston. Happy birthday to you. Lincoln! Not funny. No one's
Don't we
laughing.
relight them?
Yes.
Okay.
He's like, yes.
Listen, Tito, you stay over there. You won't come out the rest of the summer.
You look at your dad, you know that you're in trouble.
Yeah, exactly. Happy
One time
birthday.
and sister.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boston. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa! That's so much better this time. Anyway, last time was a fluke.
What do you mean, yes?
What is that tech deck?
A one-wheel tech deck. Would we get him a one-wheel tech deck?
Oh, good. That's what I thought.
He's so happy.
What is it, a one-wheel what?
It's a little one wheel for his fingers.
Oh.
It's so cute. There she blows. Yes, two.
Is there two of them in there?
What else is in here? Let's see. Grips. Yeah. You can like look. You can like. I think it's upside down.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Look, these have like different colors you can put on
That's
them.
hilarious.
That's cool.
That's from Grandma.
I swear.
That's Grandma and Grandpa Griffin. I know what that is. I do.
I think everyone does.
Chapstick.
Chapstick. No, it's
It is.
bubblegum
It's
chapstick.
chapstick.
Send my name to your mother and dad.
Exactly. Okay.
I keep losing my pocket knife.
All right, it's official. We know what Grandpa needs for his birthday.
Right. Let me see.
It's a
But I don't want the big, honking,
You don't want the Kershaw?
I don't like big ones. I
All
like
right.
the little ones.
All right, he's got demands.
Mom, it's like the toy one I got for Christmas. But like,
It's the real version of your toy.
Now, you're a real boy now.
first pocket knife. Well,
Yeah, I
actually,
think
I've
it's
had more,
razor
but
sharp.
I've cut myself.
Yep.
That's gonna happen.
That's not a lock plate either.
Grandpa's.
Cool.
Can you use it to open your other presents?
That's what I was just about to say. He goes,
Eh,
I know. This is much of a surprise for me.
and I looked around and I said, I'll bring it downstairs.
It's all right. I've got it covered. Ah, what a good use of that. Uh-huh.
There was no water coming down.
I knew that was not a purse. I knew that wasn't.
Boston, I bought 3 sizes, so if those don't fit, I've got other sizes in the closet.
Wait, Mom.
I was not about.
I saw 2 of his presents.
Yes,
I
I'm
saw
sure.
that one. You said, "Oh, it's something for Olivia," and I thought it was my. I thought it was my yayo. And I saw those. I said, and you said, "Oh yeah, those are Dad's pants."
Yeah, I had to lie to you so you didn't tell him what it was.
Yeah, but-
Why'd you want Carhartt overalls?
Because I wanted something like to work in. Mm-hmm. And also, I like them. So,
All right. All right.
Happy birthday.
Try today.
Because that captures how much you love.
Now that's the kind of birthday card they're accustomed to. You did good this time.
You good this time?
You confused the heck out of Cody. Yeah. Cody was so confused opening a regular card on his birthday. So cute.
Oh, I have fingers. I got tech decks. A lot of them.
Real ones.
I know.
No way. Dude.
No way. Oh,
And I got like a set.
rollerblades too.
And I got a set.
Rollerblades.
And a bike tech deck.
And a skid. And a lipstick. And a lipstick. And a lipstick. Oh, check out.
You'll give Grandpa a big hug because he's the one that picked it out.
I want one.
Somebody, Colt, you got to give your mom and dad a hug on this one too.
Yeah, I may have sent Grandpa the link for what I thought you wanted.
I'll take a hug anyway, though.
Happy birthday, Bossy. Okay.
There's a mini bike.
We will.
Yes, I think that is so cool. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, also I love this. Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa. Griffin.
The rollerblades are amazing.
Yeah, you put your fingers in the rollerblades and you rollerblade with your fingers.
Stick in the bike.
And pants. And pants for his fingers.
No way.
Pants. Look at this.
I don't know. They love
The
it.
fingers.
Oh, those are rad. Those are rad.
Look at
Thank you so much.
Boss, look at the guy.
Who likes his present more, you or him? They have a stand. That's cool.
Look at the camo one. That one's
Ooh,
cool.
that is
That
cool.
one goes on the GT.
Oh, GT only.
You can put it on.
No.
We'll let you do it.
I'll let you do it.
So I did lemon cake with lemon cream cheese frosting
Oh, mama.
and lemon curd. Oh, you can't see it. You can see it right there a little bit.
Yeah, I can see it.
But there's lemon curd.
Super curdy.
Oh, that tastes good. Wow, that tastes so good. Okay, Olivia, take that over to Grandma.
Oh, she's pretty.
Oh, she smells good.
Come on! I want to make this a...
Do you feel like you had a good birthday?
I know, it's my favorite birthday. I usually say that every year, but like every year it just gets better and better. Like, it's the greatest of all.
20 years, you got school.
Well, happy birthday. You were 10 years old, mister.
It's the greatest. Love
What
it.
are you cutting?
The grips that go to here.
Isn't that cool? Okay, happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie.
Thank you so much, Grandma and Grandpa.
And the other grandma and grandpa.
Uh-huh.
It's a pretty ideal, huh? They work really well together. Hand in hand.